Okay, we got everything we need for the inside of the head here. We've drilled 2 half-inch holes here. That's going to be for our bolts in the side of his neck, which will get glued in there. The back of the head, we've taken some out in here so our string doesn't catch on it. We have a 3-inch spring that will get attached to the top of the mouth, and we'll use an eye hook that's going to go here. That's for our spring to go onto, and then we'll put one back here to tie our string to. We have 2 of these hooks. The one's going to go into the top of the head to hook our spring to. And then the other one will attach here, which we have one also in the body, and we'll put a rubber band on that to help hold the head there for you. We have a 1-inch hinge that we're going to use. That's going to be for the mouth. We have this block that's cut and ready to go. That goes on to here. We'll put this hinge here, and that way our mouth will open and close properly. This goes inside the head and will get screwed in. We have our mouth. We've got to cut some of this off. We have our 2 ears. And the ears and our bolts will be the last thing that we put on it. We have 3 pieces of wood here that we cut out. That's going to be for the inside of the neck. So we're going to glue these together and let them dry, and then we'll mount them inside. I've got a 24-inch piece of string and a 1-inch ring. These are the eyes we're going to use. They're acrylic. So we got everything here that we need to finish the inside of the head. And this is the most important part, because you want to make sure you get all that right. So then we'll be back. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. Thank you.